Good morning and a happy Saturday. Hope everybody had a restful night. Got my coffee, Peace, Love, and Coffee. Good morning. I made a little omelet, really just for Tucker, to give him a piece because he was watching me making my peanut butter and banana sandwich for today. And I didn't want to give him the banana and I don't know, I got some blueberries in there too. Get something good to eat today. Stay hydrated. We got birthdays. Peggy Lennon, remember the Lennon sisters? Diane, Katie, Janet. Lawrence Welk loved them. They were on every week. Robin Wright, Jenny from Forrest Gump, Matthew Healy from the 1975 group, John Schneider, Bo, Dukes of Hazzard, Izzy Stradlin, Guns N' Roses, I think, Julian Lennon, I picked him for sentimental reasons. Santiago Jimenez Jr., a wonderful folk singer, American folk singer. Taylor Kitsch, an actor, good looking. And Patricia Arquette, love her. Today is Empanada Day. I'm gonna try my best. Maybe I'll get an empanada. Actually, my niece is coming over for lunch with her fiance. They're getting married in August. Sandra and Robbie will be here, and we're going to go out to eat. So maybe I'll get an empanada. Today is Holy Saturday, or Black Saturday, or Easter Saturday. It's a day of silence and waiting. Today is Draw a Bird Day. Be a nice, quiet thing to do today, draw a bird. Catch and release fishing day. I love that. Especially if you're not going to eat them. Please, throw them back. And Zoo Lovers Day. I love the zoo. I love taking my daughter to the zoo. The Bronx Zoo is very big. I mean, just walking to where the animals are was a trek. You'd be exhausted, especially if you're pushing a carriage or something. Big, big place. But once you're there, it's a lot of fun. You see the different, and they're more spacious now, not like in the olden days when, I don't know. I have mixed feelings about a zoo. But anyway, my father would bring us nature magazines and books, and we used to see all the animals in the pictures. I enjoy that a little bit more. Is that crazy? And I like watching documentaries on nature and animals. Though sometimes I think they set them up. I don't know. I'm very skeptical in my old age. This is a cheese omelet. It's just plain pepper and a little tomato. So I'm going to take you. I don't know where they're taking me. They told me they want to find a new place. I said, fine, I don't care where we go. But I'll take you with us. And maybe I'll get an empanada. Have a great day. Talk to you later.